room 4174 on the Carnival Pride. This is a balcony room. So we're walking to the stateroom. You can see the balcony there. And we have 3 closets right away. Some hangers, open closet space, another closet with hangers, and a second rack in here. A lot of open space in there. And then we have 4 shelves here, 2, 3, and 4. We have the bathroom space. So we have the shower, and then there's the toilet, and then there's the vanity area here with the sink. Then we'll come out here to the rest of the stateroom. Right now, the bunks are both put away. So we have the sofa here with the table and the bunk in the ceiling. And I'll show you what it looks like with the bunk out, both the bunks out, because we'll be doing that a little bit later. We have the area where you can prep to get ready for the evening. And you got some drawers and such over here. A full vanity mirror with the seat, mini fridge. Safe is up here. We have the TV, the bed area. This is the 2 twins pushed together. And we have another cabinet over here. We just have some sodas and such in this one. And then you proceed out to the balcony. And we have the balcony of room 4174 on the Carnival Pride. We're in the Port of Baltimore right now. And here are the beds put down.